Welcome to Rugged Layer Labs. Yes, I rebranded this. Used to be Patriot Prepper, but now it's Rugged Layer Labs. I did not enjoy doing content like that, which I was doing before. So this is something I would actually probably enjoy doing. But anyways, today we have a little review on GeeeTech. GeeeTech. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a gold silk PLA, and we're going to be making a dragon on it. They did give this to me for free to do a review on, so that's what I'm doing. And well, let's load her up, and we'll start the printing. So I already found a problem with this GeeeTech. It doesn't fit in AMS's at all, so we're gonna have to use my filament winder that I made and roll some of it out on a regular roll, or I guess I could just replace this roll with something else, but I'll be back with another update when I get that done. So this is what I got to work with here. Since it does not fit in the AMS, we're gonna have to wind her up on one of these sun loose spools. A little bit of crude, but it should work. And I didn't even have any of these discs. Those discs, none of them fit because that hole is just giant. It's like probably 80 millimeter hole. So I'm not going to be filming this whole thing, winding this, because it's going to take me forever. And well, you guys will click off this video in about 5 minutes watching me do that. So I'll be back again when I'm done winding it all up. Alright, so I got it off this spool onto this spool, not from any lack of the handle breaking 3 times and having to glue it back on. I'm gonna have to fix that, I'm gonna have to fix that. So anyways, let's get this now into the A1 Mini, and we'll be back. I do have one more thing to say about this, and I know that they have those inserts, but come on, GeeeTech, get with the program here, come on. One thing I will definitely say, though, that this filament is beautiful. It's shiny as heck and very gold. Alright guys, we're in here in Bamboo Studio, and I've already printed the plate, but I wanted to show you guys that I am going to be printing a crystal dragon. Go figure, right? But everybody loves dragons. So the next time you see me, it'll be probably a couple hours for me, so I can show you the process, and hopefully nothing goes wrong. And if it does, I did do a filament dry for about 8 hours last night, all night while I was in bed. So I want to give this stuff the best chance possible. So like I said, I did put it in my filament dryer for about 8 hours, about 45 degrees Celsius. So it should be good and dry. So I don't know if I mentioned that before. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's been about an hour now, and we're gonna check on it, see how it looks, and to me it looks pretty dang good. So let's check that out. Alright, as you guys can see, it's kind of messing up right there. I don't know what's going on with that. Everything else seems to be doing fine. I think it has something to do with hitting that. So I might have to stop this print and start it again. Sorry about the camera angle, guys, but I keep forgetting to flip my phone sideways. But I just wanted to let you guys know why we're waiting for this print to start here again. The best way to support me is to go to my Etsy store and maybe possibly finding something that you guys like. I don't have any keychains on there yet. If you guys want some of these keychains, let me know in the comments. Maybe you have keychain ideas as well, or just, you know, printable ideas in general. So yeah, link will be down in the description. Alright, so it's been about, I don't know, 25 minutes ish, and as you can tell, it's looking fabulous so far. We shall see if it stays that way. So we're just gonna check in on Crystal Dragon here. Everything seems to be going pretty smooth. We are on 4 hours and 7 minutes left with 30% done. So it looks pretty good. Pretty good to me. And on that note, little fishy or clownfish got done. It should be posted on my Etsy. Look pretty good too. Should be posted on my Etsy probably before this video gets up. See you in a little bit. Alright guys, the results are in. Alright guys, the results. Let's get it under this light. Pretty dang good looking. I'm not sure if the camera does it justice, but it looks pretty dang good. So as you can see, it actually does a pretty good job. This GeeeTech or GeeeTech, whatever it's called, I can't find the rule. This GeeeTech, I would definitely recommend it. Pretty dang good results. One thing that I don't like is it does not fit on the AMS for the bamboo at all, and you have to either print out the inserts that go in this thing, or you're gonna have to you know, do what I did and put it on a different roll. So I guess that'll be it for this episode. Thank you for joining me today at Rugged Layer Labs. Please leave any comments you have or any ideas down below. Hit that sub button, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps. And again, my Etsy store is open, and that'll also be linked in the description. Thanks.